Hi, it's Mark here. Just wanted to show you some options for printing and how you can control printing within Microsoft Word. I've got a document here which is 8 pages long, and I'm just going to show you how I could choose to print part of the document, all of the document, certain pages, selections, and so on. So we're going to have a wee look at the options within Microsoft Word. First thing that I want to show you is that you don't have to print the whole lot. So we could select part of a document. So it's just File and then down to Print. So within Print, it's going to preview the whole document there because it's the defaults. The default we have is your printer. That's the default printer. You have options on what printer you want to use, including PDF. Up the top, we have the amount of copies. So we could say we want 3, 4, 5 copies. You can use the buttons to go up and down, or you can select and type it in. So if you wanted more copies than that, 8. It saves clicking 8 times on a button when you can just type it in. You do have the ability to go into the printer properties. You have options within, depending upon your printer, such as quality of paper and sizes and everything within that. Printing all pages or certain pages of the document. You'll see as I went over that, it tells you and explains to you there as well. So it shows you, if you look down the bottom of that helpful guide there, it says it gives you some examples. So if you wanted to print pages 1 and 3, it'd be 1, 3. Pages 5 to 12 would be 5-12. Or you can actually type in P1, S1, and so on, which is exactly the same as what you're seeing there anyway. So you do have other options there. So do remember, pages 1 to 3. So if I wanted to print pages 1 to 5, then it'd be 1-5. That wouldn't print pages 6, 7, and 8 of my document here. What I could also do is I could say print pages 1 and 4, or even 1, 4, and 7. There we go. So if I just wanted 3 pages, 1, 4, 7. So it's the custom print. We do have other options. If you get the ability for double-sided, for example, or collated in certain different ways, the way in which you want it dispatched within your printer, page orientation, size of paper, the margins, the amount of pages per sheet. So we could print more pages per sheet, for example. We've also got page setup, which takes you into a dialog box that presents you with the same as this, plus more. But I selected part of the document. So using this one here, this button here for settings, we've got the ability for print all pages, or print the selection, print the current page to which the cursor was on, or you've got the custom print, which I just showed you. And we've got various other options for printing parts of documents, such as a list of the styles you've used, the markup lines, even document info such as the author's name or other properties of the file. We can also just print odd pages or even pages. However, I did want just the selection. So if I print selection, and it says just what you selected. So there we go. That's Microsoft Word and the different options we've got there for printing. Very quickly done for you. Enjoy Microsoft Word. Enjoy your computer. Enjoy your device, I should say nowadays. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye just now.